Good morning, everyone. My name is Thaiska. Thank you for checking out this video. I am getting ready to, I'm going to do my hair for work this morning. I have to be on camera, so I want my hair to be up. As usual, I have gone for a run this morning, so my hair is kind of damp and I don't want it to just hang down. I put 3 braids in it this morning because I wanted a little bit of texture in, and I don't know if they've been in long enough to actually have some texture, so we'll have to see. But I generally I kind of like my hair to be up. I'm back in an updo. When I had loose natural hair, I wore a lot of updos, and that's just kind of my thing, especially as my locks are in this kind of in-between length. So I'm going to put either 1 or 2 cornrows going up here on the side, and then I'm going to do 2 cornrows going up the back and kind of fold them under here and then just let the bang hang down. So I'm just going to kind of put my hair back like this, and I think I will just do 1 for the sake of time. So I'm just going to start a cornrow, and I'm cornrowing my locks just the same way that I would cornrow my loose hair. And this is sufficient. So let that go a little bit, and then I'm going to section my hair into 2 in the back. Okay, so, oh man, I left one out. So I'm just gonna stick this, I'm gonna just stuff it in. Stuff it in there somewhere. There. Okay, now I'm just gonna take these 2 and twist them around and just kind of tuck it in. And it will stay. It's not going anywhere. So this is this, and now I'm gonna undo my little braids here. That's it. A little gel over here just to smooth out my edges a little bit. As I said before, I just used some off-the-shelf edge control. This is not even edge control. it does say it's Shine and Jam Edge Magic, but it is not worth writing home about because it's not going to stay. But and the other side you can't really see, so there's no sense in doing that. And then I'll tie it down for a few minutes. So basically, this is it. I like it, it's cute. Probably got some beady beads back here I need to brush up around my neck. And then, just to make sure that everything is in order. And actually I like to pull my bangs up so that they don't get smashed under here. So I'll leave this on for a few minutes so that the edge can dry and that the style can kind of set, especially since my hair is a little damp, and then I'll be ready to go. Hello, so I'm back. It's been a few minutes, probably about 30 minutes. I had to go prepare for this call, and so I wanted to take my scarf off and just reveal the final look. So this is it. I love it. I think there were a couple that were kind of sticking out before. I think they've gone in. So this is me. I am ready for my meetings today. I'm ready to be on camera. I might add a little color to my lips, but I feel good. All right, let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you so much for coming, and let me know what other videos you want to see. Have a great day.